Samsung's Unpacked event is on the horizon, and we're edging closer to the highly anticipated launch of the Galaxy S24 series. In contrast to Apple, which is still offering a 60Hz display on its 2023 iPhone models, as we head into 2024, Samsung is aiming to set a new standard for smartphone displays with the Galaxy S24 series. It's worth noting that the S24 series is expected to deliver a display that is 25% brighter than the iPhone 15 lineup, posting an impressive 2500 nits across all S24 models. Recent leaks suggest that Samsung is about to raise the bar even further. While the LTPO display refresh technology was previously exclusive to the S24 Ultra, Samsung may now extend this technology to the entire Galaxy S24 series. This move promises substantial improvements in battery life, particularly for the standard Galaxy S24 model. The LTPO panel's ability to lower the refresh rate to as low as 1 Hz holds the potential for exceptional battery performance in the S24 and S24 Plus models. Samsung is clearly going all in on enhancing the display experience for the base Galaxy S24 model, marking a significant upgrade. In other exciting news, the Galaxy S24 Ultra may feature a top-tier chip. According to ICE Universe, the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 is a powerful chip, touted to offer the best efficiency of any mobile smartphone chip on the market, possibly surpassing Apple's A17 Pro chip. Samsung is also set to implement their best cooling system to ensure peak performance without any compromises. On the subject of no compromises, Samsung is rumored to introduce their innovative Zoom Anyplace image sensor technology with the Galaxy S24 Ultra's 200-megapixel sensor. This technology allows users to capture photos of moving objects from 1x to 4x without any loss of image quality. This is complemented by new AI-based tracking technology that autonomously follows and captures objects. Samsung seems determined to unlock the full potential of the 200-megapixel sensor on the S24 Ultra, along with the latest image ISP upgrades that accompany the next generation of chips. Furthermore, Samsung is rumored to introduce a new 5x zoom with a larger sensor size and a wider aperture, potentially outperforming even the 10x zoom on the S23 Ultra. However, opinions on this are divided, and we'll have to wait and see what Samsung reveals at the Unpacked event, expected to occur in early January 2024, marking one of the earliest Galaxy S launches to date. That's all for this update. Feel free to share your thoughts in the comments section below, and please subscribe to the channel if you're new here. With that being said, stay tuned for more exciting developments. Goodbye for now. Peace out.